Today, I want us to have an honest conversation about the future of music in Eastern Nigeria. For a long time, we've had people say that if you want to make it in Nigerian music industry, you have to leave the East and move to Lagos. But is that really the solution, or is there a bigger issue that needs to be addressed? Let's look at numbers. Tough Kings in Kemakonam has recorded over 80 million streams on Spotify. Evado has crossed an incredible 100 million streams on Audiomack. But the case Anxiety has amassed over 3 million streams on Spotify. High Stars Material EP has surpassed 1 million plays on Audiomack. Zeno's Hell has recorded more than 3 million streams on Spotify. Then, think about artists like Jerry, Aguero Ranks, Cola Boy. Across Spotify, Audiomack, Apple Music, YouTube, and other digital platforms, these artists continue to pull millions of streams and have built loyal fan bases. So here is the question. If Eastern artists are delivering this kind of numbers, what are the major streaming platforms and the music brands doing to support the growing of the music ecosystem in the Southeast? Recently, Spotify announced another edition of Fresh Finds on Campus, bringing together emerging artists and creators. The initiative is taking place in Lagos. And that raises another important question. If the Southeast is producing artists with millions of streams and rapidly growing audience, why don't we see more of those initiatives coming to cities like Enugu, Owerri, Oka, Abakaliki, or Maya? Why is almost every major music activation concentrated in one region? Is talent only found in Lagos, or are we simply not investing in discovering and nurturing talent outside Lagos? This conversation is not about attacking Spotify or another platform. It's about asking whether enough is being done to support the next generation of artists coming from the Southeast. Because if our artists are contributing to the growth of these platforms through millions of streams and loyal listeners, shouldn't they also benefit from more visibility, more workshops, more campus tours, more creative programs, and more industry opportunities here in the East? Or do you believe these platforms are already doing enough and it's up to the artists and stakeholders in the region to create more opportunities for themselves? Are the Southeast artists getting the recognition and industry support they deserve? Or is it time for the major players in the music industry and music business to deliberately invest more in the East? I would love to hear your thoughts on this. Voice of the East reader. My name is Vikajibo. See you soon.